Wait a second, let me tell you what. Are you left or right hand?
Oh, right hand.
Okay, hold the hammer in the right hand.
Right hand?
That's what's wrong.
Okay, we'll try.
Careful now, there we go. At the end.
Don't be timid. Smack it. Smack it like you mean it. Now work towards the middle side. Work towards the middle.
Look at how bendy it's getting. It's just like flattening out.
Okay. You need to put it back. Let's put it back in and then put it again.
Okay. You have to pull it out because I don't know.
I think my mom would like this.
Well, I'm trying to land where I can find it.
That was the scary part, was reaching it.
Yeah, it is because pulling the hairs in your hands sometimes.
Yeah.
Electrical can't take it out for you.
I will this
that
time.
Makes me feel a little better.
I just wanted to
You
try.
just need to put a little bit more. Let's
A
get
little
it.
more on?
Yeah. But not so much that it's bad squashing.
Okay. Well, I'm not as strong as you, so maybe I'll try a little harder.
Yeah. Get it.
But the heat works its way back up.
I see.
I mean, it's not hot for me, but
Now, is the water just room temp water?
yeah. But it only takes a second. It's amazing how there's a couple of sloshes there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, quite cold.
Yeah.
Is it
quite
colder
cool.
or warmer?
That could be good. Okay. All right.
That was pretty even all the way up and down, all the way up to there, so that's good.
All right.
And then we'll flip it around.
Okay.
Got to heat her up again?
That's the slow part. Blacksmith is put stuff in and out, and that's why I put one time. But like I said, I can do them now. When I got my school and everything set up, I can do them one. I can do it in one heat,
Yeah.
and so I don't have to worry about. That's why I put a whole bunch of them in there when I'm doing it.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of them in there.
I bet I've made a couple of thousand of these.
Wow. Yeah, you got to hit it
Okay,
pretty
ready?
hard. All right, we're ready now.
Don't have to put out the point. Okay, right in that area there. Let's stop the book.
Here.
Cool.
Does that look good?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's stop it. So it depends on how much of a curve. Just a second. Let me heat it back up.
Okay, another heat. Third heat.
If you do it when it's a little bit too cool, you don't get a nice smooth curve. You get almost a kinky look. Oh, I was talking. Where did get broke?
Everyone wants to go get an iPad.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
That's a spear.
Spear.
That was 3 different pieces of metal. I heated it up to such a point that I made it into a spear. So that's 3 different separate pieces of metal that's been hammered together.
Cool.
And then if you get a stick, you can have a spear. I was just playing around with that.
That's awesome, though.
I did that mechanical.
Yeah, that's amazing.
A little more bended.
Yeah.
Okay, now take a hole in it.
Stop. Do some right.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom while I can.
I'm just going to.
Flatten her out. Perfection.
Does that look good in that direction?
Yes, it does.
That looks nice.
That's awesome.
That is beautiful.
Cool it.
I just heard it just like.
Goes psst.
Have you ever dropped any in there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.